What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Spusiso Maketlane from benabstract, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. Just do it already. Come on, bro, just do it. So I know I've been away for a while, and I'm sorry for that. I haven't been dropping content. I've been having technical issues, but I'm back now. Also, sorry for the audio. I still don't have a microphone, but I'm still trying to push content. And I promise you guys, content is coming. Just stay tuned. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your PSD for animation in After Effects. So let's say you have your PSD that's ready, your artwork, and you're ready to import it to After Effects. As you can see here, everything is on its own layer, which is supposed to be like that. And if you're trying to be like me and organize your things, you can color code your layers, but for this one I wasn't trying to be fancy. It was just trying to show you guys. Let me not talk too much. Anyway, we're going to go to After Effects. Here you're going to click import file and look for your PSD. In this case it's abstract shapes. Import as, composition, retain layer sizes, and then import, and then you're gonna click OK. So here's the thing that I used to do that you shouldn't be doing. I used to create a custom composition, and from there on I would open the folder here, select all the layers, and then place them on that composition. Now the problem is that I wasted time trying to place everything where it was supposed to be when I should have been animating, and then I lost some of my ideas in the process. I started freestyling, so we're not doing that anymore. We don't do that anymore. Delete that composition. You're going to click on this one that we created while we importing the file, and here we go. Everything is on its own layer, and we start animating, like we're doing our own thing. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. And if you want to support me on Patreon, my link is on the description. This project file and the PSD are going to be available on Patreon. So if you want to check them out and play around with them, you can check them out there. So I'll see you around, guys. More tutorials are coming. We got some proper heat. I don't think you guys are ready. I don't think you're ready. But don't forget though, creativity does change everything. I'm out.